Welcome to this tutorial on sorting conditional formatted data in Excel. Typically, when we sort records or rows in a table, we do so based on the values in one or more columns. However, did you know that Excel allows you to sort by font color, fill color, or cell icons created through conditional formatting? In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process. Let's apply some conditional formatting to our data. First, select the range of data you want to format. Go to the Home tab and click on Conditional Formatting in the Styles group. Choose Highlight Cells Rules, then select Greater Than from the drop-down menu. Define a value greater than 32, and select a green fill with dark green text for the formatting. Click OK to apply this rule. Now, you'll notice that all cells containing values greater than 32 have been formatted with a green background and dark green text. Repeat the previous steps, but this time select the less than rule. Set the threshold to 20 and choose a light red fill with dark red text for formatting. Click OK. You should see that all cells with values less than 20 are now highlighted with a red background and dark red text. Finally, repeat the steps to apply conditional formatting to cells containing values between 19 and 31. Choose a yellow fill with dark yellow text and click OK. As you can see, the cells with values between 19 and 31 have been successfully formatted with a yellow background and dark yellow text. Now we have our data formatted. Let's sort these items based on their cell colors. Go to the Home tab, click on Sort and Filter drop-down and choose Custom Sort. In the Sort dialog box, select the column where you applied the conditional formatting from the Sort by drop-down list. Under Sort On, select Cell Color from the drop-down menu. Under Order, choose the color you want to appear at the top of your sorted list. Click Add Level button. It will insert a then by level. Repeat the previous steps and under Order, choose the color you want to appear at the bottom of your sorted list. Click OK to close the Sort dialog box. And there you have it. Your data is now sorted according to the conditional formatting you applied. This feature allows you to easily organize your data visually, making it even more effective for analysis. Next, we'll sort our data by cell icons created through conditional formatting. Let's start by applying conditional formatting to our data using icon sets. Go to the Conditional Formatting menu and select Icon Sets, then choose a shape set that suits your data. Now, you'll see that each cell displays a green, yellow, or red icon based on its value. Now, let's sort our data based on these cell icons. Select Custom Sort from the Sort and Filter options. In the Sort dialog box that appears, choose the column where you applied the conditional formatting from the Sort by drop-down list. Under Sort On, select Conditional Formatting icon from the drop-down menu. Next, under Order, select the icon that you want to appear at the top of your sorted list. Let's add another sorting criterion. Click the Add Level button. In the new level, choose the icon you want to appear at the bottom of your sorted list. Finally, click OK to close the Sort dialog box. Your data is now sorted according to the conditional formatting icons you applied. Lastly, we'll sort our data by font color. We'll begin by using conditional formatting to change the font color of cells based on their values. Select the cell range you want to sort by. Access the Conditional Formatting menu. Then navigate to Highlight Cells Rules and choose Greater Than. In the dialog box that appears, select Custom Format. This will open the Format Cells dialog box. Go to the Font tab, choose your desired font color, and click OK. In the left box, enter the value for which you want the formatting to apply when a cell's value is greater than that number. Click OK to apply the rule. You'll notice that some cells now have a different font color. Next, repeat these steps for the less than and between rules, selecting a different font color for each rule in the Format Cells dialog box. Now that we have our font colors set up, let's sort our data based on these colors. Select Custom Sort from the Sort and Filter options. In the Sort dialog box that appears, choose the column where you applied the conditional formatting from the Sort by drop-down list. Under Sort On, select Font Color from the drop-down menu. Next, under Order, choose the font color you want to appear at the top of your sorted list. Click the Add Level button. In the new level, select the font color you want to appear at the bottom of your sorted list. Click OK to close the Sort dialog box. Now you know how to sort your data that's conditionally formatted by icons, font color, or cell color. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more Excel tutorials. Your support means a lot.